Good day to you guys. I'm gonna show you this motorization kit for the Ironman suit. Here's the main circuit board, the LED for repulsor and arc reactor. Here's the servo, two servo for the open close of the faceplate. Here's the reed switches that will be put on your finger. That is power triggered by this strong magnet. Here's the speaker that I'm using, and the resin arc reactor, and this casing, eye and repulsor casing. The main circuit board is powered by these two pieces 18650 battery. Here's the on and off switch. Now let's try this, see if this one working 100%. Okay, let's try the open close of the faceplate. Forgot to turn on the speaker. When you turn it on, you need to wait until around 10 seconds. So all the programs. Let's try the soundtrack. Trigger all the reed switches. The soundtrack. Then let's try the arc reactor. When you hold the magnet, it's gonna charge up. Then when you release it, it's gonna blast. Let's try the repulsor. Let's try again the open close of the faceplate. The servo is all working, both working. Left and right servo. Again, this is the motorization kit for the Ironman. All working good, 100% working. Thanks for watching.